This model kit review is of the Mitsubishi Eclipse. This is Brian's Eclipse from the Fast and Furious movie. It's a 1/25th scale model by Revell, and there's some of the dimensions and the colors needed. And this is a picture of the finished model. Some more pictures there. Looks like a very nice model. There's some optional decals if you wanted those. Let's have a look inside. Looks like we have a lot of parts here. First of all, our wheels. We've got some different options here for wheels, and those are fairly nicely molded. They do have that chrome on. Not always a fan of the Revell chrome, but that is not too bad. Let's have a look inside here. So here we have our body, and it's on the chassis and subframe. Body is actually fairly well molded. I don't see any mold lines, and with some reasonable detail here. Unfortunately, the windshield wipers are molded on. Not a fan of that. And here's part of the chassis. We've got some engine bay parts here. And our subframe, another part of the chassis. Here we have two axles. We also have a screw. We have some very thin tires with some reasonable molding there. Here are some other chrome parts, including our wing. And this looks like our air intake, some engine parts, exhaust parts, and headlight parts here. Here is part of our glass. So we have our front windshield here and our rear windshield. Looks like part of our rear brake lights. And it looks like we have a hood here that is made to be see-through. That's interesting. And then some other glass options here for our headlights and tail lights. So here we have our dashboard, part of the engine firewall, some suspension parts. We've got our steering wheel here, stick shift, and steering column. Here we have our disc brakes, more suspension parts. We have our exhausts, radiator, more suspension parts, central console. Here's our steering rack, and we have our pulleys. Here's the drive shaft with the part of the rear axle there. So here we have the insides of the doors, reasonably well molded. We have our seats, nicely molded. We have some engine block parts. Looks like our sound system, maybe our NOS over here. And here's our front bumper. Looks like our ducts and side mirrors here. I do have some mold lines, unfortunately. Now we have some bumper options here, depending on which one you want to build. Here's another hood. This one's not see-through. And another air intake. We have some other wheel options, it looks like, as well. And I think that's all those parts. Let's have a look over here. We have our decals. These are very nicely printed decals. This is for the hood. Very nicely printed decals. Lots of detail there. So, here's the color code. And we have our engine parts being put together, then our seats. We put together a sound system, the rest of the inside of the car, the cockpit. Firewall goes on, as well as the sides of the doors. We build the suspension parts here, that's the front. Engine then goes on with the radiator. Chassis goes on with the subframe. And then remaining engine parts, air intake and so on. Put our glass in. We start to build the dashboard. And we've got two different versions if you want to open the clear one or opaque one, depending on your air intake as well. And the body is mounted. Lights go on, hood goes on. Now you've got, looks like two different bumper options there. And then rear options as well. And then our rear suspension, drive shaft, and exhaust parts go on. And then our tail. And then wheels. So, here's version 1. These decals. And here's version 2. So, all in all, a very detailed car, good decals, lots of options, and it's reasonably well molded.